So see students, coming to the climbers. Climbers are the weak stem plants, and these climbers, they generally grow horizontally on the soil. Okay, so keep heading. Creepers. So creepers are plants with weak stems. Plants with weak stems and grow horizontally and grow horizontally. Okay, along with soil. Or ground. So why they are growing? Because they cannot stand upright. So these are called creepers. You can see pumpkin trees, watermelon trees. They are growing horizontally on the ground. Done?
Yeah, ma'am.
So next, we will see the characteristics of creepers. Creepers are plants with short stems. Okay. Next, they can't stand erect on their own. They can't stand erect. Erect means straight on their own. Next, they usually creep along the ground Okay, so their lifespans of these creepers generally maybe 1 year or longer. Okay, so the lifespan of creepers may be for 1 year or longer.
Ma'am, what's the meaning of erect?
Erect means straight.
Sorry, can you say again?
Straight.
Okay, ma'am. And what is the meaning of creep?
Creep.
Yes, ma'am. In third point.
They usually creep like crawling on the soil like this.
Okay,
Okay.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Done?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay, so what examples we can write for this? Watermelon,
Melon,
bottle
watermelon,
gourd,
pumpkin.
pumpkin, yes, pumpkin, etc.
Ma'am, like we can say that which can grow fruit, but the fruit would be heavy, then only it can be as a creeper.
No, actually, like it depends on the stem. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
and for this, yes, as you are telling, watermelon, bottle gourd, pumpkin, and all this fruit is very heavy. Done? Now we will see the difference between creeper and climber.
Ma'am, climbers grows
I'm
in
a
all.
read complete, ma'am. Once can you show the last one?
Okay, okay, write down.
Grows on the land only.
Climbers generally they grow vertically. Creepers grow horizontally. One difference we can write, and other is in case of climbers, stem is strong. Okay, it can take support of the object. But in case of creeper, the stem is very weak, delicate, and thin.
Ma'am, can I say one?
Hmm?
Like climber grow like climber. I can give some example like grapes.
Yes.
So they are lighter, so they can grow horizontally. Whether
Yes.
as creeper, they grow heavy things
Hmm.
like pumpkin, like
Hmm.
that bottle gourd. So that is why they are on the ground.
Ma'am, I'm completed,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay. So climber, first point we can write here is they grow vertically. They grow vertical. Next, creeper. They grow horizontal. Okay. Next, climbers creep. They take the support of the object, right? For
Yes.
climbing.
Yeah, ma'am, like they use like any trees or grills.
Yes. Okay.
I have a doubt. Like the climber might grow like that if the climber grows heavy object but not that much, it can grow still that also.
Which one?
Like sometimes it may grow heavy things, sometimes only.
Which
So
one?
climber.
Hmm.
So it may grow like different climbers as same.
So there are many kinds of climbers, right? Like peas,
Okay, ma'am.
money plant is also a climber.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, do we have a rule that climber should grow in, or do we allow
See, according to you, you are telling that fruit must be big, then but money plant it won't have any fruit, but still it comes under category of climber. So that I am telling, don't look after the fruit, just look over the stem and how it is growing.
It will happen.
Okay. Harshita, please turn off your mic. Okay,
Ma'am,
tell me.
do climber grow in different soil and creepers grow in different soil?
No, they can grow in any kind of soil, but they may be seasonal sometimes. Okay, actually, their lifespan is short and they can be seasonal.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Next, climb. Take support. We can write here exactly. They take support of neighboring structures, anything, or climb up on other.
Grills are like trees, ma'am.
What? Like trees or any substratum. Or you can write on other neighboring structures.
Ma'am, do bitter gourd also is a climber like that?
It's a creeper.
Bitter gourd is a creeper. It grows on the land, soil.
But which one I have that grows like on the roads? Yes, ma'am.
Sorry, I didn't get you.
Yes, ma'am, it's too small. It didn't give in even the bitter gourd.
I told you, just look over the stem, type of stem, but not on the fruit or flowers. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So example, I told you money plant, it is not having any fruit. Still, it comes under category of climber because it is growing vertically. Okay. If you tie anything to it, if you give any support or on the wall as well, it grows. So it comes under climber category. Whereas keeper, it creeps on soil.
Everything is done. So once it is done, after this they can start up. But not sure like what thinking. Then after,
Ashita, mute.
Okay.
Sorry, ma'am.
So it creeps on soil. Okay. Clear? So these are the main differences. Example for climber, what we can write, students, grapes, money plant, etc. etc. But for creeper, it is watermelon, pumpkin, etc.
Mom, and you can't grow creepers on pots, right, Mom?
On
Mom, you can't grow creepers on pots, right, Mom?
pots,
Yeah, Mom.
pot.
Yeah, Mom.
You mean plant pot?
Yeah, Mom, like kind of.
Yeah, it
big.
will grow, but it needs like it grows only horizontally. It won't go up.
Okay.
Okay. Now see the difference till now what we have discussed. So we have discussed about, first the thing we discussed is herb, right?
Yeah, Mom.
So herbs are the ones which are very short, isn't it? And shrubs are the little bigger than, which are of around 3 meters in height. Okay, 3 feet. Next, coming to the trees, in the trees you can find a large trunk above which branches are arranged. Okay, so we have gone through the structure of plant as well. So you can find in a plant the root system and the shoot system in case of shrub. Okay, the shoot system, it wherever the branch is arising, it is called a node, and the distance between two nodes is called as internode, and the angle between the main stem and the lateral stem is called axil, If bud is there in the axil, it is called axillary bud. And if bud is there in the terminal, it is called terminal bud. Okay. Then coming to the tree, in the tree, the root system is very well developed. That is called which root system, students? Taproot system. We have discussed in a tree. Okay, so there is a hard wooded trunk here, above which the branches are arranged. Okay, next coming is creeper. You can see how it is growing like vertically by taking the support of the here sticks, and here in case of creeper it is growing horizontally. Okay, so these two are the weak stem plants. Compared to the creeper, climbers are little strong. Okay.
Yeah.
So next in the next topic we are going to study about stem and leaf. Okay. So if you consider, yes, Advika, tell me what you want to tell.
Ma'am, actually lemon take 2 years to grow a lemon, and a pineapple take 5 years to grow a pineapple.
So it depends, like fruiting and flowering. Those are seasonal plants actually, like mango is there. So it gives flowers and fruits only in summer, right? It is a seasonal, like it is an annual. Okay. Whereas guava plant.
Guava plant, I don't know.
So for every almost 6 months you will get. Okay. So it depends on every plant. Yeah.
Then in which season does lemon and the plant pineapple grows?
Which season? Yeah, mostly in the winter season you can find most. Like pineapple, it takes time to ripen and everything. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So next, if you see the parts of stem, generally parts of stem consists of 8 distinct parts. Okay, containing 6 elements and 2 organs. So plant stem consists of 6 elements and 2 organs. 6 elements and 2 organs. So what are those elements? We have already discussed in the diagram of a plant. So those elements includes nodes, internodes, terminal or apical bud. Yes, we have discussed these or not? Okay, next, lateral or axillary bud. So earlier we have discussed if bud is present in axil, it is called axil bud. Axil bud is also called as lateral bud. Okay. Whereas terminal bud is also called as apical bud. Next, petiole. 6th is pedicel. So do you heard the term, students, petiole and pedicel?
No, ma'am.
We have discussed terminal and axillary bud earlier, right?
Yeah, ma'am.
You know. Now, if I take a leaf, so this is leaf, right? Yes. So what this is called as? What this one called as?
No, mom,
From stem.
stem.
Stalk of leaf, which is called petiole.
It's like even called as petiole, no?
Yeah, the stalk of leaf is called as petiole. Then, what is pedicel? Pedicel means the stalk of flower. Isn't it? Both flower and the leaf both contain stalk. Suppose this is a flower. Okay, so this stalk is called as pedicel. Understand what is petiole, students? Petiole is stalk of
Stalk of flower.
leaf.
Okay.
Stalk of leaf is petiole and
Stalk
stalk
of
of flower is pedicel.
pedicel.
Then the two organs includes leaves and flowers. So total how many students? Total 8
Two.
parts. In total, 6 elements
Yeah,
and 2
yeah.
organs, total 8 parts. Done?
1 minute.
Okay.
Done.
Okay. So next we will see the functions of stem. So what are the functions of STEM students? It supports branches, leaves, flowers, fruits, everything on it, right? It supports branches, leaves, flowers, and fruits. Okay, second point. It transports water and minerals. Entire it transports, right? Minerals from where? From root to the leaves and other parts of plants. Not
Plants.
only to the leaves and all other parts of plants. Okay. Next function. See, generally, water is transported from roots to leaves. Then, who prepares food? Which prepare food?
On
Which
leaves.
part? Yes. So leaf prepares food. Then, but entire plant like stem, roots, everything need food. So it transfers food from leaf to again different parts of plant. Okay. So it transports food from leaves to different parts of the plant. Okay. Done, students?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now we will see an activity to prove that STEM is performing the transfer of water. Okay, transfer of water. So we will see an activity.
Ma'am,
So, yes.
is the stem the another name of stem? Stem is trunk.
No. In case of trees, the hard woody part that is called as trunk. Trunk differs. Okay. Now see this activity. What we have done, we have taken different flowers, or you can take leaves as well. Okay. So cut it and place that cut stem into the colored solution of water. Okay. So can you see the color change of leaf? How it is changing based on the color which you are using?
Yes, ma'am.
So this can tell the so what are the what we observe. So does color change first thing? Yes,
Like
the
a
color change.
flower.
Yes, color. How can you tell color change? Color appear in the stem and the flower. If flower is there, you can see the change in color. Yes,
Ma'am,
color.
the third
Yes,
container is water. If you'll see it's pure, so the pure flower will also be there. If you'll change the color will also change.
yes. So from this activity, we can, what we can prove from this activity, stem helps in upward movement of water. Stem helps in upward movement of water. Okay. Clear?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, are we going to have a quiz?
Yes, ma'am.
Now,
Ma'am.
okay.